Unlock a high-revenue business opportunity in the booming AI industry. No tech skills required by becoming an Agentic AI solutions consultant. So here are the 4 things we are going to cover in this video. Number 1. How big is this AI solutions consultant opportunity? Number 2. How do you get clients for your new business? Number 3. What services to offer? Number 4. How to do the work for your clients even if you do not have any tech skill. So if you want to make money, you need to have the attention span to watch this whole video. Maybe even more than once. The simplest business on earth is to find rich people who have money, but do not have time and sell to them. If you save them time, they will give you their money. That's why rich people pay to get their grass cut. They pay for someone to walk their dogs. Business owners are the rich people you want to sell to, and that is why you want to target them. I will start by showing you the type of results small business owners get when they use the systems we build. You can immediately start offering these types of solutions to your clients and help them generate more revenue in their businesses. Here's a client of ours who runs a weight loss clinic. We installed our AI sales agent, called Michelle AI, and Michelle was able to convert the leads they were generating from Facebook ads into booked appointments. You can pause the video and read through the conversation flow. This is all AI, talking like a human being. You can install AI sales agents like Michelle into your clients' businesses, and they will pay you. So, number 1. How big is this Agentic AI solutions consultant opportunity? AI is here to stay. AI is going to save you a lot of time completing certain tasks. Who knows whether it is going to replace people or enhance people's jobs? That is more of a philosophical conversation. We are not going to go into that right now. We are here to make money. Some people even say AI is not good enough yet. Remember that the AI version you are seeing today is the worst it is ever going to be. It is only going to get better. AI has been out there for several years now. Think about Apple's Siri, Amazon's Alexa, or even Google Maps. These are all AI solutions. However, the introduction of ChatGPT-3 by the company OpenAI in 2022 changed the game. That was AI's iPhone moment. So in 2023 and 2024, the technology has really matured, and now in 2025, we have Agentic AI. Agents are being used by all the big companies today for sales, marketing, operations, HR, finance, etc. However, small businesses are still just starting to use AI, so the opportunity is huge. Every one of the more than 20 million small businesses in the USA needs to implement Agentic AI solutions in their business to help them with growing sales, provide customer support, and generate content for their social media marketing efforts. The time to get in is now. You do not need any tech skills. You just need a smartphone and maybe a laptop with internet access, and you are in business. This is not a course or a coaching program on how to implement this into small businesses. This is a done-for-you program. All you have to do is find the clients, and our team will do the fulfillment for you. Number 2. How do you get paying clients? AI can do the marketing for you. AI can write the emails for you. AI can look at your prospects' websites, social media profiles, and write custom email messages for them. We will set up all the tech for you. So you start by picking a niche, get AI to give you a list of business owners in the area you want. For example, you can pick dentists or plumbers in your city and contact them. All these small businesses need AI for sales, customer support, and social media content creation. Pick a niche. Get AI to write a message for you to send to them. If you contact 100 small businesses, 20 to 30 will reply, and then you can pick up the phone, schedule an appointment, and talk to them and sell them your AI solutions consulting offer. And if your client is happy, you can even ask them for a referral and pay them a referral fee of 10%, 20%, or 30%. So if you make $10,000 per client, and send them a check for $1,000 to $3,000. They will be sending you more clients. You charge $2,000 to $20,000 up front and then a monthly maintenance fee. So let's say you make $10,000 per client and you get one client a week. That's $500,000 per year. You are now in the top 1% income bracket in the USA. Now, if you happen to be a business owner and you want to install these Agentic AI solutions into your own business, this is for you. You can install this system into your business and crush your competition, or you can start offering this as a new service line. Remember, you do not need to install the tech. We will do everything for you. Number 3, what services should you offer? You can offer a package to do their sales using AI phone calls or AI texting, SMS, WhatsApp, available 24/7. With real-time AI objection handling. Offer customer support using AI phone calls, SMS, and WhatsApp 24/7. Offer content creation using our AI content engine for their social media marketing efforts. Offer customer review harvesting and response, so you help them get more Google reviews using AI. You also install AI to respond to these reviews. Number 4, fulfillment. How to do the work. This one is easy. You don't have to be a computer programmer. You don't have to be a tech wizard. So you have 2 options. You can get on YouTube, watch a bunch of videos, and learn how to do the work yourself. But if you want to compress time and start immediately, the easiest option is you let us do the work for you, and we share the profits. This is not a training or a coaching program. This is a done-for-you program. Every one of the more than 20 million small businesses in the USA needs to implement Agentic AI solutions in their business to help them with sales, customer support, and social media content generation. Big businesses are already aggressively implementing these autonomous AI solutions. The small businesses that do not implement these solutions will be crushed by their competitors. This is the opportunity. Once again, pause the video and review these client results. We also have some more on our website. Most small business owners do not have the time to learn AI, but they have the money to pay you to implement this. Many of these business owners are in their 50s and 60s and have no interest in learning new technology. That's where you come in to be the bridge that takes them from point A to B. But you may already be asking, but I am not tech savvy. The process is very simple. All you need to do is just bring the client, and our tech team will install all the tech for you. You can either just give us the contact info, and we will complete the sale and fulfillment and give you a percentage of the sales proceeds, or you can charge your clients whatever amount you want and let us be your white label fulfillment partner. This is the easiest business to start in 2025. You can charge your clients anywhere from $2,000 to $20,000 to start and also add a monthly maintenance for the AI solution. Don't miss out on this unprecedented opportunity to enter the booming AI industry and achieve financial freedom. Click the link below to join our Agentic AI Solutions Consultant Program and start your journey to success now. Schedule your call now.